is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American consonant sound T, as in the word toy. You can also hear the sounds in words like time, cat, stop, or Scott. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol T for this sound. The T is one of 6 consonants in the stop sounds category. The stop sounds are familiar to most people, may seem easy to pronounce, but once you try to pronounce them with an American accent, you'll find that they're not easy. Let's find out why and start with reviewing what we learned in the stop sounds overview video. The T is made by stopping the air with the tip of your tongue at the alveolar ridge. The T is a voiceless sound. It has a voice counterpart, the consonant sound D. Remember, what's most important for the stops? Correct. It's how they're aspirated. The T is aspirated, or in other words, pronounced with a strong puff of air at the beginning of words and stressed syllables. At the end of words, the T follows the final stop roll and is not aspirated. As with all voiceless stops, the T is not aspirated after the sound at the beginning of words. Here are examples. Time, contain, toy, light, gut, boat, stop, still, straight. The T sound has a couple of positional variations. When the T occurs between voice sounds, it becomes a flap T sound. When the T is followed by a weak syllable containing the sound, it may become a glottal T. Compare kit, kitten, kitty. The flap and the glottal T sounds will be covered in detail in our future videos. As for this video, let's focus on how to pronounce the voiceless T sound. Slightly open your mouth and leave your lips in a neutral position. Now, you have to stop the air. This is how you do that. Place the tip of your tongue on the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth. Now, stop the air in your mouth with the tip of your tongue and then release it with a strong puff. If you make these sounds correctly, you'll hear a burst of air. T. Let's try making these sounds. T. 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 Now, let's do some practice exercise. Well, start the T at the beginning of words. Remember, the initial T is pronounced with a strong puff of air. As usual, you'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation like this. T. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Don't skip this part, as practice is essential for improving your accent. Let's begin. Take, tail, tell, talk, tip, tape, test, teach, tough, town, table, today, Tuesday, tomorrow, technical, telephone, television, tobacco, terrible, airport, card, ticket, seat, belt, blanket, depart, comfort, pilot, jet, flight, height, not, distant, jacket, equipment, exit, frequent, greet, light,